Hey guys, how's it going? It's Francisco here with Aida's Roofing. I'm up here today. Miss Aida Gomez roof. I'm here to do some repairs on the roof. Homeowner contacted us. They said they're interested in getting some repairs done to the roof due to a previous claim. Now we're up here doing the repairs to the roof, but I'm also going to go ahead and take advantage of this situation, and I'm going to go ahead and do an ATR video. Today's November the 22nd, 2023. I'm also going to go ahead and use this tool called the roof snake, which is requested and recommended by the insurance to do a proper repair without doing little to no damage to the shingle while I'm repairing. I'm going to go ahead and put the phone down so I can get recorded throughout the whole process. You guys can see the whole process of me trying to replace this shingle right here without causing any damage to none of this shingles up here or down here. All right, let me go ahead and get my stuff. We can get set up. So this is the new shingle I'm going to go ahead and use to replace the shingle. I'm going to set it down right here. Come on. All right, you should be able to see me perfectly through this angle. Now this angle is showing literally everything I can do. I'm gonna record myself throughout the whole process, try to be as gentle as I can through the process, and try not to damage the shingle even more. Now, I already know that this shingle is non-repairable, so hopefully you guys can see this video and determine that we need to replace this full roof. Trying to be as gentle as I can. Obviously, okay, so the shingle, this is the shingle that's damaged. As you guys can see, went ahead and take it off. It's the area. Let's move this back a little bit. We should be more than okay right there as well. It's a good little area. There you go. Let me get off. Oh shit. All the nails, whatever nails we got here, is preventing us from reaching out. Okay. All right guys, so the shingle's in place. I'm gonna go ahead and start nailing it in with this snake tool. With this side is basically so we don't have to lift up the shingle more than what we need to, supposedly. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up just a little bit. You guys can hear all the granules falling off. These nails are a little bit bigger than what we're used to, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Nails in. That's another one. Okay. Last nail. Try to be as gentle as I can. There you go. So the nails are in. I'm not gonna say they're properly installed because they're not. because this tool actually prevents the shingle, the nail, from getting properly flushed in. So now that we nailed everything up, I can show you guys all the damage that was caused by trying to repair the shingle. As you can see, none of that damage was there when I first initially started recording this video. Another thing is that we are here trying to get this nail in properly flushed in the proper way, but the tool actually prevents us from doing it. So what's going to happen now, I have to come back, lift up the shingle a little bit more so I can properly flush that nail in. So this is definitely a fail. It's a fail roof. No good.